What is up, YouTube? Robbie Bright Jones here from RBJ Creative Studio, and today, as you can all see, I have a new gaming keyboard. Even though I'm not into gaming and all those things, mine is to design. But I saw this gaming keyboard and oh my, I couldn't believe my eyes. I just couldn't believe my eyes. So today I'm doing an unboxing video of this beautiful mechanical gaming keyboard called GK100F. That is the gaming keyboard 100F. Yep, I must say I really had to get this. So I went to buy this mouse and keyboard pad, and I saw the keyboard and I decided, no, I have to get this keyboard. So recently I sprayed my old keyboard, and after spraying the keyboard, it became less accessible. The arrow keys were delaying. I'll click and it won't budge. I'll click and it will go, but then it's going to get stuck. Then it's just giving me troubles and problems. But today here I am with another new keyboard. So today we are doing an unboxing for you guys, and if you want to get one of this keyboard, just send me a DM in my WhatsApp or on Instagram. And oh my god damn, let me get this guy out of the way. God damn. So first off, when you open the box, you're going to get introduced to the HP logo. That is a wrap around the keyboard. You take it out, and under the whole thing we have paperwork here. We have warranty card. We have what is this? We have I don't know what is this. We have I don't know what this is. And we have a product notice, and we have some foamy thing to hold the keyboard and the main keyboard. So let me take off the wrap real quick, and oh my god damn, look at this guy right here. The keys look like they are hanging, and it is very interesting. And one thing that entices me, makes me happy that I bought this keyboard, is the sound that it makes when you press on it. It is I don't know the words for it, but this right here is what I want. This right here is the main reason why I'm into everything that I'm into right now, because I love stuff like this. And one thing that you should know, it is RGB. There's light all over this side. And it gives you that type of feel. That I don't know how to put it. You just feel good that you bought this keyboard. Okay, so first off, let's look at the back. We have the details. That's a mechanical keyboard, GK100F, the product name. We have the rated current. We have the pin number. We have the SN, and I think some few symbols. IC, the recycle symbol, and 10 in a circle, plus made in China. Okay, and we have this what is this called? It's like a holding, that's not the name for it. Yeah, this thing holds the keyboard up so that you can get get the type of feel that you want it to be. So it gives you this uplifted look so that you can type well on the keyboard. And I must say, I am really happy that I bought this keyboard. And after this, I will show you videos of me typing on them and changing the colors. So yeah, let me plug this guy real quick, then I'll get back to you guys for on the clicking and the other stuff. Okay guys, here's the keyboard, and damn, the RGB lights are going through. It is just giving me this type of feel that I don't know how to describe. It is nice. And look at the grounding I was talking about. It holds the keyboard. Let's say you put them down and the keyboard goes flat like this. But then the moment you take them up, it gives you this type of position right here, and it is really good, really good. And one thing that you should know is this keyboard, I don't know, I wanted it in white, but then black is cool. I'm just going to be stuck with this type because okay, yeah. So FN, page down, and this is another effect that it gives you. The colors or the lighting just go through like this, and page down again to give you this other effect, and it's very nice. Okay, page up also gives you a different effect, and this is how it looks. Very nice. It goes through all the keys one after the other like that. And page up again gives you another feel of the light. Page up again, and this is what you get. Okay, but if you want the colors or you want the RGB light to be still, you hold FN and you click on the insert button, and it stays like this. It gives you the light moving. FN delete gives you a different effect, and this effect right here can be sped up. As I told you guys, you can speed the effect as it is going now. You can slow it down too, like this. You can speed it up again. You can slow it down. And if you hold the FN and click on the down arrow, the RGB light becomes very low. But if you click on the upper button, let me use the insert here. If you click down, it becomes very low, but if you click up, then the light becomes very bright. And I must say, it is a very cool feature that we have. If you want to turn it off, hold FN and just click on the home button, and it is off. Click on the FN again, and we're back on. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I must say I'm really glad I bought this keyboard. My work, my productivity, my everything is about to be lit as usual because I have this keyboard right here. That is the HP gaming mechanical keyboard, and I love the look right here. So yeah, that'll be it for today, guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share whatever you want to do, and I'll make sure to see you in the next video. Bye bye.